Some believe throwing a cross on this bread is to ward off the evil. However, it helps this bread to cook evenly. Hello guys, welcome to Rocking Rob. Let's make the easiest bread in the world, the Irish soda bread. This super easy yet delicious bread doesn't need kneading and rising process. Let's rock this soda bread. First, preheat the oven to 380 Fahrenheit. For the ingredients, we will need 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 100 grams of butter which is in room temperature, an egg, half cup of raisins which is optional, 1 3/4 cup of buttermilk and 4 cups of all-purpose flour. Add the egg to the buttermilk and mix well with a fork. Next, we will add baking soda to the flour, followed by salt and butter. Combine all these together with a hand. If you want, you can mix with a spoon, but I prefer to mix with my hand. Now we will add the raisins, then make a well in the center and pour in the buttermilk egg mixture. Now here is where the magic happens. Stir everything together until it just comes together as a dough. Turn the dough out onto a floured surface and bring it together, then shape it into a round loaf. Little crack here and there is perfectly fine. Now we will transfer the dough into a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Wash the hand, take a sharp knife and score a deep cross on the top of the loaf. This symbolizes the Catholic faith of Irish people to ward off the evil and protect the household. May God bless Ireland. But this will also help the bread to cook evenly. Pop the loaf into the oven and bake for about 35 to 40 minutes. You will know it's done when the bread has a beautiful golden brown crust and sounds hollow when tapped on the bottom. Look at that, our beautiful Irish bread is ready. Let it cool first before slicing it. The outside is crisp and the inside is soft and tender. It's a perfect accompaniment for any meal or on its own as a tasty snack. Thanks for joining me today. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and share it with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe Rocking Rob for delicious recipes. Enjoy the St. Patrick Day with this Irish soda bread. Happy St. Patrick Day!